When homeowners in Clinton Township consider ways to increase the value of their homes, one of the most impactful upgrades to consider is replacing or upgrading the windows. While often overlooked, windows are a crucial element of a home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. Here's a closer look at how window upgrades can add value to your home, particularly in Clinton Township. Curb appeal matters. The first impression a home makes is its curb appeal, and windows play a significant role in this. Whether you're looking to sell or just want to improve your home's aesthetic, new windows can drastically enhance the look of your property. In Clinton Township, where a variety of architectural styles exist, choosing the right style, color, and finish for your windows can complement the unique design of your home and make it stand out. For instance, modern window designs like double-hung or casement windows with clean lines and energy-efficient glazing can give a home a contemporary look that appeals to potential buyers. On the other hand, more traditional window styles may suit older homes, creating a timeless appeal that blends seamlessly into the neighborhood's established aesthetic. No matter your home's style, the right window upgrade can create a sharp, welcoming exterior that draws attention. Improved energy efficiency. Clinton Township, located in Michigan, experiences varying weather conditions throughout the year, including cold winters and hot summers. Homeowners know how essential it is to maintain a comfortable indoor climate during these fluctuating temperatures. Energy-efficient windows can help keep your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer by minimizing the loss of heated or cooled air. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows with features like low-E coatings, argon gas insulation, and double or triple glazing can significantly improve your home's thermal efficiency. As a result, you'll notice a reduction in heating and cooling costs, which is attractive to both buyers and homeowners. When it's time to sell, energy efficiency is a key selling point that potential buyers will appreciate. Not only will they enjoy lower utility bills, but they will also recognize the value of a home that is ready for the long haul. Noise reduction. If you live near a busy street or have noisy neighbors, you know how disruptive unwanted noise can be. One of the lesser-known benefits of upgrading your windows is the noise reduction they provide. New windows, especially those with double or triple glazed panes, can significantly reduce the amount of external noise entering your home. This benefit is particularly valuable in suburban areas like Clinton Township, where homes are often situated near main roads or schools. Buyers in search of a peaceful home environment will appreciate the added tranquility that new windows can offer. Quiet homes are often perceived as more luxurious and comfortable, which can boost the appeal and value of your property. Increased security and safety. Another consideration when upgrading windows is safety. Older windows may not be as secure as newer models, and they might not have modern locking mechanisms. Many new windows come equipped with advanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems and laminated glass, making them more resistant to break-ins. Homebuyers in Clinton Township, particularly families, will value these added safety features. In an area where peace of mind is a priority, homes with upgraded windows are more likely to attract potential buyers looking for a secure and safe place to live. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Clinton Township homeowners also benefit from the durability and low-maintenance nature of modern windows. Vinyl and fiberglass windows, for example, don't require frequent painting or sealing, unlike older wooden windows. This means less maintenance for you as a homeowner and a more attractive, hassle-free property for potential buyers. In addition, new windows are designed to last longer, with many offering warranties of 20 years or more. The long-term durability of new windows ensures that your home will remain in good condition for years to come, making it an appealing investment for future buyers. A home with low maintenance features is often seen as a desirable, cost-effective option. Return on investment. While window upgrades may require an initial investment, the return on investment, ROI, is significant. According to experts, upgrading your windows can recoup anywhere from 70–80% of the cost upon resale, depending on the quality of the windows and the market conditions. In Clinton Township, where homes can range from modest single-family homes to more upscale properties, upgrading to energy-efficient, aesthetically pleasing windows can result in a high return when it's time to sell. Conclusion: upgrading your windows is one of the best ways to increase the value of your home in Clinton Township. From enhancing curb appeal to improving energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort, new windows are a smart investment for homeowners. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to improve your living environment, consider the benefits of window upgrades. Not only will you enjoy immediate advantages, but you'll also set your home up for long-term value and market appeal.